welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be building a chocolate cookie Halloween mini house kit. So this is what we will build, I will build, and yeah, let's get started. So first I'm just gonna open this up and let's see what is in here. So this is how, this is how it turned out. So yeah, there's a thing in here. So this is where the cookies are at, and this is our cookies, and this is our icing. And then I guess there's more icing here. And then these are little decorations that we will use. And then apart from that, I will also be using some of the little packages from Welch's fruit snacks or Halloween ones. And these nerds, the orange one and the white one, they're Halloween ones. And then some different types of these Halloween peeps. This is pumpkin, these are ghosts, and these are monsters, little monsters with Frankenstein. And then the last thing that I will be using is some of this candy corn cotton candy. So yeah, now let's get started. So first I will be opening this the house parts. So I'm gonna take this out. Okay, looks like we have to break them apart. And then, so there's two of those, because the thing is twice. So we're gonna have to break these apart. So now that we broke them all apart, we're gonna get this one here. And then, also this one I'm going to do different because I'm going to decorate it first like that, all of the pieces. And then once it's done, I'm going to stick them once they're all dried up. Because sometimes when I do it and then quickly do this, it will fall down and it won't look that pretty. So first I'm going to do this one. So this one, I'm gonna cut it so I can squirt it all on this. I'm gonna be opening this bag of these little candies. So that's about it. Just gonna put them all in the corner. And now I will be using this one, and then I'm going to start decorating. So I'm going to start with the door. icing time. So we're gonna get our icing and then just put it on the sides of this part. Like this. And then I think we're gonna have to add a little more. This. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna put this on the back, like that. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put it on this side. I have to do it on this side. Put a lot on it. So I'm just gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna put it here. Just like that. And then I'm going to have to get this piece, this other part, and then going like that. I'm gonna have to put it on both of these sides. Like this. Like that. And I'm going to stick it on like this. Just like this. Just gonna have to hold it for a little while so it doesn't fall over. So I'm gonna start putting it in this one and then on the other side. Now start putting it right here. I just need to hold it for a bit. So now I put this on here again, just like the other one, and then on the other side. And just like that. Add a little bit more here. And I'm going to just stick it on here and just hold it. And I'm going to put this one down here. And now I will put this, let me just squeeze it up, put some here. Just like that. And then for some decoration on here on the top, I'm just gonna add some of these little nerds. Sprinkle some over the top. Like this. just like this. And now we'll use our peeps, these ones. So I'm gonna use the ghost right now. Like, just open this up like this. Okay. So I'm just gonna get, which one should I get? I'll get this one. Okay. I'm gonna put this ghost right here. Boo. And I am going to get this, the pumpkin peeps. Like this. And just gonna open it up. So, just gonna tear one out. And there's one for the house. Yeah, one for the house and one for me. Delicious. Okay, so this is how our house turned out. Our chocolate cookie house turned out, Halloween house. And so that's her little pumpkin and that's her ghost. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys I hope you guys like this house. And guys, so remember, you guys, on October 27th, I will be announcing the giveaway winner. So, el 27 de octubre voy a decir el ganador de la rifa. So keep watching my videos, and subscribe and comment down below. Y denle like a este video and give this video a big thumbs up, and te tienes que suscribirte y comentar. Y si no han visto el video que hice de Halloween, que dije que voy a dar en la rifa, aquí va a estar arriba. If you guys haven't watched my video, my Halloween video that I said what I'm going to announce what I'm going to give away for the giveaway. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it up here. And yeah, that's it for this video. Eso es todo por este video. Gracias, amigos, por ver mi video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adiós. Bye. I love you. Los quiero mucho.